This segment of Talk of the Town brought to you by the makers of VetMedin and Medicam.
If you're a pet owner concerned about a dog or a cat who suffers from arthritis, heart disease, obesity, you should know that there are some new treatments out there that may be just what your four-legged friend really needs. Our veterinarian, Dr. Craig Pryor, is here now with some of the latest ways that you're able to treat pets. Some of the nice new technologies and medications.
And you know, things are always changing, so we want to educate people about what's out there that can really help them. We have new sponsors, and their products are wonderful. They've got a drug called VetMedin. It's a heart drug for dogs. It's been in development for a number of years. It's finally been out for about a year now, and it's very unique in the way it works, and it really adds quality and quantity of life to these dogs.
How would you know if your dog had a heart problem? Well,
you can see different things. They can have coughing, they can have exercise intolerance, they may even just pass out. And you know, so it's something that's why we recommend semi-annual exams on animals, so we can get them in and we can diagnose this stuff early, be on top of it before it becomes a real crisis. So that's one really great drug. Other things for dogs. We have Comfortus. This is a once-a-month flea pill. It only kills adult fleas, but it really works better than the topicals does, so this is a new way of going. We're in the middle of flea season. People are having lots of problems with fleas. So for your dog, I recommend Sentinel once a month. It does heartworms, intestinal parasites, but now, and it does environmental control. This does the adults. So now we can eliminate fleas.
Complete flea control.
We can eliminate fleas out of the environment by using this along with Sentinel. It's wonderful.
That's good.
40% of the canine population, 40% of the pet population is overweight.
Why is that?
They've gone from the backyard into the bedroom and the carpet of the couch. We feel that they're more like us these days, so we want to see them. People are feeding more table scraps, things like that. And they like to see them eat 3 times a day just like we do, so we tend to see a lot of obesity. We can extend your life expectancy for your pet by up to 2 years by controlling their weight.
Wow.
Yes.
And if you can't do that with just diet, there's a pill to help.
Diet and exercise only works in about 20% of cases. So it's still worthwhile going there, but we need more than that. Especially for dogs now, we've got Slentrol. It's a once-a-day appetite suppressant. It works really well. I actually have one of my own dogs on it.
Really?
And it works wonders. Arthritis, and it's always been a big thing. Medicam is a liquid. Most of the arthritis medications out there, the non-steroidals, are oral. Pills, this is actually a liquid. Nice thing is, this is an injectable form as well. Nice thing is, there's not much out there for cats. This is for cats as well. A lot of people don't realize the cat population deals with arthritis as well. Just because your kitty's old doesn't mean they have to act old. So let's give them something to make them more comfortable. So
how do you give an oral medication to a cat, like a liquid?
Well, that's why liquids work better. This one you can actually put in food if you need to. And this is an injectable form, so that works really well. You need to talk to your veterinarian about actually using this in an oral form, and we won't go there today with
that's
that.
something to talk about with your vet.
Yes, but this is, you know, and you're right, it's hard to give cats medications. It's horrible. I mean, you know, we got to all have horror stories about that. So here's something, this is an antibiotic called Convenia. The really cool thing about this is that if your kitty's sick, it's got an abscess, a skin infection, you don't have to give it medications anymore, because if I give it an injection of this, the injection lasts for 2 weeks.
Wow.
And that's typically the treatment course that we need, an abscess or skin infection. So now you don't have to medicate your kitty.
That's great. All right.
So this is a new product. It's wonderful. We got other things. Landis, it's a new insulin for cats. If you've got a diabetic cat, a lot of these cats that we put on Landis actually revert into a non-diabetic state. We can put them in remission.
All right, we'll put information on our hotline if you'd like to reach Dr. Pryor. He's at Murphy Road Animal Hospital. You can always contact your own veterinarian, too, if you have questions about medications for your pets. Thanks so much.
My pleasure.
All right.